Mindset's key. Mindset is really, really important. And I know that it doesn't sound like, the sexy packing tip that you're hoping for. Um, it's really about changing the way that you think about packing. And I've been doing this for over a decade. And I can tell you straight up that mindset is like the thing that's going to make or break your packing light game. All right. So, why is mindset that important? Why is it so important? Why am I stressing it right now? Because the hard and fast packing tips won't matter if you don't have the belief and the confidence that what you're doing actually works. Okay. If you don't believe that these tips work and that you'll be okay with less, you're going to listen to that what if voice in your head and you're going to double the size of your luggage by the time you're heading to the airport.